Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will check out NutriPro juicer mixer grinder. I bought this mixer for almost 2 months back. So it comes with two jars. So you can blend anything and you can just pack it and put it in the freezer like this. These are interchangeable. Like this. You can put anything and grind. And it grinds very well, I would say. My experience with it is good, and I would say if you want to buy a juicer mixer grinder, then you should go for it. It is very handy. It doesn't take much space as well, and you can use it for making any kind of juices. If you want to buy this product, I will put link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.